What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of KILLZONE Outdoors. So what I'm doing today is I put up my 2 ice shacks, and we're just going to be airing it out. You know, after using them all season long, there's going to be, you know, ice and moisture and stuff like that. And once it starts to get warmer, you know, with it just sitting tight and, you know, its bag and stuff, that can create mold, and that's something we don't want to have sit in our ice shack for, you know, 9 months until it's winter again. So, you know, it's a nice 70-degree day, and we just put them up, and we're just going to let them sit here. The wind's blowing pretty good, so it should dry them out pretty quick. And as you can see, Lily's out here. She's enjoying the warm weather too. Well, it's so windy out here that, you know, it's blowing the shacks around. It actually blew this side in. But let's take a look in here. And like when I first put this up, all these windows were wet, and you know, I could see how it was wet and like damp in these corners and stuff, but it actually looked like it's drying out pretty good, so we should be good to take it down in no time. And right here, guys, is my latest purchase. It's a 2018 Polaris Sportsman 450. So I'm mostly going to be using this for, you know, driving it around up at the hunting land, ice fishing. You know, early season, I was, you know, walking out and I just got really tired of it. So I'm going to use this, pull my shack behind it, and, you know, I'll be able to go all over the lake in half the amount of time. But I'm also looking forward to taking it on some trails and doing some trail riding. But yeah, it's a pretty sweet ride. But let's fire it up. Alright, here's a little bit better look at it here. Bought this trailer for it from my buddy Justin. It's a nice 2-place ATV trailer. Yeah, it's a pretty sweet ride, and I can't wait to get up north with it. Alright guys, now that I got the shacks all wrapped up and put away for the season, and it's time to start thinking about, you know, open water. So I know some of the smaller lakes and ponds don't have ice anymore. Some of the bigger lakes still have some ice out there, but we're getting pretty close. We're about a month and a half away from fishing opener, and I can't wait. So let's take a look at some of the, you know, fish catches and stuff from last season. Caught a pretty decent pike, so that's a bonus for today. All right, there we go. Look at the trout.
Casino Hotel. So the Renaissance Festival. No matter who you are, no matter what you're feeling,
There's frogfish for the day. Let's go.
Every weekend.
Hold up. Jake's over there. Oh!
Yeah.
Well, that's all I got for you today. I will be going turkey hunting in about 2 weeks with my buddy Sam. I can't wait to get out there and hopefully I can put a bird on the ground. But until next time, guys, if you liked what you saw, click down here to subscribe and click over here to watch the last video. Thanks for watching.